If you want to be pretty, you cannot be lazy.
Can ancient secrets give you the ultimate glow?
Today we are putting 4 traditional Burmese beauty hacks to the test for a whole month. We're testing the properties of coconut oil, fermented tea leaves, charcoal and salt, tamarind and turmeric.
We're going to be applying these natural ingredients onto our hair, eyebrow, teeth, and skin and see what happens. Do these heritage secrets actually work or are they just myths? Let's Senn Ja Mel! So what are these 4 beauty hacks that we're going to be testing?
First one is hair serum.
Okay, disclaimer. Sutre is the only one who's going to be testing.
Yeah.
The reason is the serum is supposed to help with hair growth, right?
Yes.
And I have so much thick hair that I don't want any more thick hair. So I told Sutre, can I please opt out of this test?
When I braid my hair, I want the braid to be very thick.
Yeah.
That's my dream. This is a beauty hack passed down from my grandmother. My mom still uses it. The ingredients are very natural. We have to smash raw onion, curry leaves, aloe vera all together. For us, we blended it and then you heat up the coconut oil, but don't use a lot of fire. Put in the ingredients and stir until it changes color. And we're going to be applying it 3 times a week for 30 minutes and then have to wash it up. We feel that 1 time a week would be too little since our testing period is 1 month. It's kind of short. What's the next one, Ikai?
Okay, number 2 is about eyebrows, the ultimate what I've been needing all along. So for the eyebrows, we're going to be using lapat, which is fermented tea leaf, and castor oil. So we're just gonna mix those 2 up and apply it on our eyebrows every single day for 30 minutes. It's actually supposed to be left overnight, but we who love sleep a lot want to be comfortable in our sleep. So we decided to just apply it for 30 minutes each night, wash it off, and go to bed.
The third one is using tamarind and turmeric paste would help you whiten the dark spots. So we use a dried up tamarind ball with no seeds. We mix it with water and make it into a paste. Add in turmeric. We will apply it onto our dark spots, elbows, knees, to whiten up the areas. So we're going to test it for 3 times a week, 10 minutes each time, and then wash it off. And after which we would need to moisturize that area vigorously because it's going to be very dry. So what's the last one, Ikai?
The last one is to whiten the teeth. We all love drinking coffee, so we have very yellow teeth.
So yellow.
This trick is to rub charcoal and salt onto our teeth. Actually, we can only do that once a week. The reason is it kind of strips away the enamel.
Yeah.
So we're going to be very careful about that. We're just going to rub it for 1 minute and wash it off.
My mom used to say that she would just take a chunk of charcoal and then rub it on her teeth, use a dab of salt, rub it again, and then rinse it off.
Ooh.
Yeah, when I heard that, it sounded very scary. So we decided to pound it into a powder, just rub it.
Yeah, it'll be easier.
It'll be easier, yeah.
After 30 days, we'll see you again.
Put it in the fridge so it's frozen right now. I was worried it might go bad, so put it in the fridge. It's like a chunk. While we massage this oil, here are the properties of this hair serum. Onion brings sulfur, a key building block for hair protein. Aloe vera soothes and hydrates, while curry leaves add antioxidants to protect hair roots. But the real hero here is coconut oil. Its lauric acid penetrates deep into the hair shaft to lock in moisture and prevent protein loss.
I do think my hair is less frizzy because of this. I had to shampoo my hair for 4 times to get the oil out. My hair still smells like onions and curry leaves.
So I forgot to film. I put it in the oil serum today. I don't think I will ever get over the smell. It's so bad.
I want more hair here, so I'm gonna put more here.
Next up, applying castor oil and fermented tea leaf blend onto our eyebrows. Castor oil is loaded with ricinoleic acid to deep condition and stop hair breakage. Meanwhile, fermented tea leaves contain powerful antioxidants that lab studies suggest reduce stress around hair follicles.
You know, it's a good thing we're not beauty influencers because I don't think I can do it. Here's the real skincare science behind dark spot whitening. Tamarind is full of natural AHAs, alpha hydroxy acid, that gently dissolve dead pigmented skin on the surface. We're pairing it with turmeric, whose active compound curcumin helps slow down the enzyme that creates dark spots.
Finally, scrubbing with charcoal and salt for teeth whitening. Raw charcoal is traditionally used to scrub away surface plaque, while salt acts as a coarse physical polish. It looks dramatic on camera, but will it actually deliver a brighter smile? So after 30 days, let's see. Doesn't look like his toothpaste got any new hair. But 1 month is way too short to actually judge, because even clinical treatments like minoxidil takes like 3 to 6 months to see real results.
But with that said, my hair does feel bouncier, softer, and easier to manage thanks to the coconut oil. There are also a lot of bottled products in Myanmar which use these traditional ingredients. So if you cannot buy these bottled products, if they're not available around your area, then you can use our recipe as a great starting point for your DIY hair serum treatments. Okay, so eyebrows. Zero new growth here, but here's the trick. Because castor oil is so thick, it actually conditions and coats your brow like natural brow gel.
Yeah, so actually the oil makes it reflect light so that it looks a little bit more darker, fuller, and more conditioned. And that also helps prevent your eyebrow hair from snapping. So just don't expect new hair growth in places that doesn't have eyebrow. So the verdict on dark spots, we can't actually tell after 30 days, but what we know for sure is that the turmeric left a really beautiful golden glow right after we wash it off, and the tamarind smelled so good.
But fading deep hyperpigmentation would take time and consistent AHA exfoliation. So what you see in stores, the labs have already isolated those brighteners to a balanced pH so that it works well and doesn't burn your skin off. So if you're going to try this DIY at home, make sure that you don't leave it on for too long and moisturize after. Did it whiten our teeth? Not really. I'm sure you have seen major brands like Colgate using charcoal and salt for teeth whiteners, right?
Yeah.
So why didn't our DIY work?
Well, raw charcoal and salt are far too coarse. It's like sandpaper on our teeth. It actually strips away our protective layer rather than lifting off stains. We definitely need to use the lab refined ingredients for it to be safer on our teeth. So let's just stick to the enamel safe toothpaste that we can get at the stores.
Okay, so would you incorporate any of these hacks in your daily life?
I think out of all 3 that I tested, I would do the eyebrow, because it kind of gives me a darker look. How about for you?
I still use the hair one.
Oh,
Yeah, once a week only.
that's nice.
Yeah, and then after that, I have to wash my hair for like 5 to 6 times to get out the smell.
So you think it's worth it?
Yeah, I think so. Hopefully.